Hey guys, today we're going to do our first acrylic paint pour.
Yeah, this is our first acrylic paint pour. They're becoming popular on YouTube. It's an idea that I had many years ago. I actually did one acrylic paint pour about 30 years ago. Somewhere I have a picture. It didn't come out the greatest, but I had the right idea. So what do you got there, Annalisa? You got some paint? Take some of those out. Let's see what we got.
All of them?
Yeah, take them all out. Put them in front. I think we got 18 different colors. I bought this on Amazon. This is one of the cheaper brands. I really don't know if there's a difference in paint, acrylic paint, but we got the cheap. We're just starting out, and maybe our first pourings aren't going to look the greatest. So we got a bunch of different colors. We got some paint brushes to paint the canvas on mine. And Alisa has...
I have my own.
You have your own. This is going to be yours. Yours is already black. I wanted a black canvas so colors would really pop, show out really good. And anyways, that's yours. Mine's white. We're going to go ahead and paint this black. I picked up this at Walmart, a large black. And we had a whole bunch of different colors. The method we're going to use is called an open cup pouring. And we also have this. This is like a thinner, or helps the colors blend together better. Got this off Amazon. We got a drop cloth. We're just going to do it on the floor. We got some stirring sticks, and I think we got some cups. And let's set up the floor. Let's move this table, and we'll get started. Okay, I've got my painting clothes on. My canvas is painted black. I've got my cups all ready. I've got one cup with the end cut off. This is an open cup pour technique, and we have never done this. Let's see how it goes. I've got my colors lined up in the order that I want them, and we will give it a go. Let's start right here, and we'll start with the blue. It looks like maybe this could have been a little bit thinner. And we'll go with the yellow next. That looks like a good consistency. And then the orange. Whoa, here we go. And red. And then the other blue. It's a learning experience. Now we are going to get our hair dryer. Okay, now like I said, this is the first one, and didn't get quite what I wanted, so disliking it enough where I think I want to scrape the paint off and use the canvas over again. Okay, Annalisa, it's your turn. Mine was a fail. So let's do it a little bit different. Why don't you just pour the colors on the canvas.
1 by 1?
Or 2 by 2, however you want to do it.
2.
Don't put them together. Not like that. Pour them on the canvas.
I know.
And then you're going to twist the canvas back and forth. Go ahead.
Where you want me to pour it, like that?
Wherever you want. There's no correct way. It's up to you. There you go. Let it drip. There you go. More blue. Yeah.
Oops.
Okay. I want you to get some of the other colors. Even already, yours is better than mine. Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't be shy. Atta girl. Go for it. Okay. You get 2 more colors there.
Where? Oh. It's another blue.
Go ahead. Alright. You got all the colors?
Yeah.
Alright, why don't you try and tilt the canvas back and forth. Let them all run together.
Oh no.
It's already looking better. There you go. Yours is running a lot better. Atta girl, let it go each and every way. Looks good with the black background. A map of the United States. Florida's a little messed up, but yeah, this is a learning process. Mine was a mess. The colors just got really muddy. They didn't do what I had in my mind. I think my paint wasn't thin enough. We are using an additive called Floetrol. I probably didn't use enough. Probably didn't use enough paint either.
What do you want me to do? It won't go down.
Tilt it this way. Let him run some more. I think I need to experiment with a small board like that first. The one that Annalisa has actually, it came pre-painted black, and it's on a board. It's not like a canvas frame, it's on a board, which will keep the paint from gathering up in the center. Do you want to try the hair dryer a little bit, or no? Or
Sure.
all right, we're gonna put it on low. I had mine on the high speed, and it didn't work out that well. Yeah, you want to add more paint? Go ahead. It's up to you. We're just having fun. We're just playing around.
Is there any lip? Too much. Go. Is it plugged in? No.
Yeah, it's plugged in. When I put it on, it made a mess. So go low and don't get too close.
Hang on, wait. Oh no, I think I ruined it.
Looks like a cowboy on the right. See, if mine had come out like that, I think I would have liked it. I don't know. You think you want to use the hair blower, or you like it like that?
What is it gonna do?
I don't know. It kind of looks pretty good like that. Let's just forget the hair dryer for today with this piece. There's all kinds of different techniques. We're just learning. And eventually we'll probably have some good looking pieces. If you're happy with it, just lay it back flat and we'll let it dry.
Okay.
Or if you want to add the black, whatever you want to do.
I'm not going to put any black.
Okay. We will let it dry, and eventually when we have pieces that we are just crazy about, we'd probably put a resin cover over them. We'll let it dry. It might take a day or two to dry, and we'll be doing some more of these in the future.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.